Hi guys, it's Darren and Callum from BD. Cal's in charge of the graphics here, and we decided it was kind of time to up our game really. We look at all these YouTube channels with these end screens and flashy graphics. It's something we can do, so we thought we'd task Cal with sorting that out. So on that basis, we'll ask you for one little favour, and that's to hit the subscribe button, the new one that's on the bottom of the screen, or you can hit at the very bottom. Cal, just do that, right? Click the like button. Come on, Cal.
Okay.
Like button. And if you've got any comments to leave us, then put them below again. And we appreciate your feedback, whatever it is. Even if you don't like us, hit the like button. Cheers, guys.
So what do I need the end screen, don't I?
Now it's going to limit your vocabulary, Cal, but can you try
Not
to
swear.
I'm going to press record now and just do it, whatever.
Have you pressed it yet?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Hi, I'm Cal. I look after all the graphics for BD. Just in the middle of doing some stuff for our YouTube channel. Got ourselves a little subscribe icon here, which will appear in the bottom right hand corner of all the videos, so you know where to click. I've been doing the test card ending graphics, which will enable you to subscribe again. All of our social media handles, the next video and the previous video. And that looks a little bit like this. So that's all animated and nice, and you can navigate through. And I also look after all the graphics that you see on the photography on Instagram, Facebook, and that's it really. Alright, Daz.